A group of foraging juvenile rabbitfish spotted a bobbit worm hiding in the sand, ready to ambush its next victim. To avoid becoming its breakfast, the rabbitfish worked together to blow away the sand covering the worm. While the little rabbitfish was blowing at the sand, it was suddenly grabbed by the bobbit worm. The bobbit worm is one of the longest worms in the world, with a body length that can reach an astonishing 3 meters. Most of the time, it stays buried in the sand, exposing only its sharp mouthparts to the water above. Despite lacking eyes and a brain, the bobbit worm relies entirely on 5 sensitive antennae on its head. When prey passes nearby, the antennae detect signals and relay them to its razor-sharp jaws. In an instant, the bobbit worm snatches its target and drags it into the sea. The bobbit worm has a massive appetite and isn't picky about its meals. Its hunting targets are incredibly diverse, from venomous stonefish to plump pufferfish. They're all delicacies on the bobbit worm's menu. But even the mightiest creatures have predators, and the bobbit worm is no exception. In the video, a hyphen snake eel is seen gripping a bobbit worm. However, with much of the worm's body buried deep in the sand, the eel struggles to pull it out. However, when it comes to dealing with bobbit worms, the hyphen snake eel has its own special trick. It tugged the bobbit worm out slightly, and then began executing a deadly roll. In China's southeastern coastal regions, the bobbit worm is simply considered a delicacy, known locally as jishe can. It can be served in soups or deep-fried to crispy perfection.